MHE International, with its AAC plant engineering department, is providing service for new AAC plants or existing plants. New construction or repair and maintenance. Deliver and install spare parts or increasing the output for existing plants. MHE International also provides raw material analysis and material sources. MHE is working worldwide. Calibration service or modification. Adding reinforcement line to a block factory. Since 1986 is MHE International providing its service to the AAC industry. For more information, contact us at www.mhe-international.com or send us an email to info@mhe-international.com.